If you want to change icons theme on Redmi 15, what you can do is go to the themes app that you can find by default over here in the home screen, or you can go to the app drawer, of course, and find the app somewhere over here. Once you find the themes app, you can go through different themes that may contain icon theme that you like. So for example, let's go over here and let's say that I like this theme over here for these icons. So now in order to get them, we need to download a whole theme. Wait a couple of seconds. Once you download it, you want to choose customize and you want to uncheck everything except for icons. And now we can press apply. And there we go. So now if we go back to the home, we have new theme for our icons. And unfortunately, some apps are not compatible, or maybe they are, but they look quite odd compared to some others. But yeah, this is how it looks like. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.